Oh my God. Hi, Sagittarians. This is your reading for the month of July. And let me just say one thing, something very good and something very huge is coming for you. You are going to move in a direction that you were thinking and overthinking about and putting too much of your brain or mind, or you were losing your sleep over it, because the Knight of Cups is being clarified, the Knight of Cups, and the Ace of Wands is being clarified by the Ace of Wands. And it just automatically came. I've shuffled all the cards, I've taken different decks, still same things. And in the near future, Knight of Cups, that means huge, and within the next few months something huge is coming for you. And that's for sure for your love life, because there is too much of overthinking. There is Ace of Wands, there is Knight of Cups in the near future, clarified by the Knight of Cups. For sure आप किसी को प्रपोज करने वाले हैं, या आप किसी को अपना लव ऑफर करने वाले हैं, या अगर आपके रिलेशनशिप्स में, फ्रेंडशिप्स में, घर में इश्यूज चल रहे थे अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में, फैमिली के साथ, स्पाउस के साथ, आप खुद इनिशिएटिव लेंगे आगे जाके, आप खुद उनसे बात करेंगे, आप खुद सब कुछ क्लैरिफाई करेंगे, बिकॉज नाउ यू वांट the Ace of Wands, you want a new beginning. See, there is the Two of Wands, there is the Six of Swords, there is the Three of Pentacles. You want to work hard, you want to take this opportunity, you don't want to let it go. You want to move forward, you are thinking about the past, but you're also looking into the future. You have thought a lot about this situation. आपने बहुत overthinking की है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपने रात में जाग के thinking की है, बहुत ज़्यादा over आपने analyze किया है situation को. But in the near future, you're definitely gonna go and offer something very special and very beautiful to someone that's very close to you, या जिनके साथ आप हमेशा से चाहते थे कि आपकी लाइफ में कुछ सॉलिड हो, आप उन्हें ऑफर ज़रूर करेंगे, बिकॉज देर इज़ एन एस ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एंड द नाइट ऑफ कप्स, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी सॉलिड एंड अ वेरी मेच्योर ऑफर. इट्स नॉट समथिंग चाइल्डिश. आपकी लाइफ में पास में बहुत इश्यूज चल रहे थे. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ थर्ड पार्टी इंटरफेरेंस. There were a lot of sleepless nights. You didn't want to look into the reality. Financially, things were a lot of stuck situation. There must be some female who is trying to be very bitchy towards you in your personal life or in your professional life, was very dominant towards you, and you didn't knew where to go. आप प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, बट आप कुछ प्रोविशन नहीं कर पा रहे थे उसका, कि अब क्या करेंगे फ्यूचर में उस चीज़ के साथ. बट नाउ आई थिंक इन द जुलाई मंथ एटलीस्ट आप एक मेंटली एक डिसीजन ज़रूर ले लेंगे कि आपको किस डायरेक्शन में मूव फॉरवर्ड करना है. और अगर आपकी हेल्थ ख़राब चल रही थी सजिटेरियंस, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव फॉर श्योर. स्लो इम्प्रूवमेंट है, बट इम्प्रूवमेंट है. यू नीड टू buckle up your diet, and you need to buckle up on your overthinking. I hope that helps, Sagittarians. Have a beautiful month.